Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I got this lovely twisted blowout. Okay, y'all see the hair, y'all see it. So today I will show you all how I got here. Not quite. First of all, I wasn't even supposed to do a twist style. I was going to do bantu knots. It just didn't work out that way. And then secondly, I didn't quite picture my hair coming out like this. I guess, I don't know why, but I just didn't picture it coming out like this. But overall, I still like the results of it all. So if you are here to see how I got here, just stay tuned for the tutorial of it all. Okay, if you are not subscribed, please take this moment, this second, to click that subscription button. That subscribe button is on this side of the screen, or it's on that side of the screen. I don't know what side of the screen it's on, but you see it. Click it so you can be subscribed to my channel, and then click that bell that's right below it, so then you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, thank you all for watching, and without further ado, here it is. Alright, that is it for this video today. I hope that you really liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I hope that I shared some products and some tips that you can use. It's nothing really different than a regular twist out. It's just you're doing a twist out on dry, blown out hair. So I hope that helps. Hopes that helps with you in this style. I know a lot of people like big hair, and this is a way you can stretch your hair, and you can have like volume and have a whole lot of hair on your head. So I hope you all like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. If you have not subscribed by this time, please just click that subscribe button. Enter into the Kinky Girl Talk family. I thank you all for watching week after week, and let's stay tuned for next week's video, okay? And while you're at it, you can just sit here and watch this next video I have for you. It is what I did last time. Oh, the perm rods, the small perm rods with the ORS Curls Unleashed mousse. So I'm just gonna set that right here so you can see how you can achieve a small perm rod set. And that's it. Just click on that. It's easy. Just click there and boom, you at the next video, sis. All right, y'all have a good week. I'll see y'all next week. Peace.